Samsung users have been eagerly waiting for the One UI 7 update, with many expecting the beta release to roll out this week. But instead of the anticipated software upgrade, Samsung has released a routine security update for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in South Korea. This unexpected move has left users wondering whether the One UI 7 beta has been delayed or if this security patch is simply a necessary step before the new software becomes available. The latest update, identified by firmware version F956NKS2AYBD, is now available for Galaxy Z Fold 6 users in South Korea. It comes with a download size of 436.81 megabytes and includes the March 2025 security patch. This update addresses multiple security vulnerabilities from the previous version, ensuring better protection against potential threats. Users can install the update by heading to Settings, selecting Software Update, and tapping Download and Install. Once completed, the device will restart to apply the new changes. Many expected the One UI 7 beta to be included in this release, since there were rumors that Samsung planned to launch the beta program for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 on March 6. However, instead of the anticipated software upgrade, users received a security patch. This has sparked speculation that Samsung may have postponed the One UI 7 rollout, or that this update is a required step before the beta version becomes available. If this security update is indeed a prerequisite for One UI 7, installing it quickly could be beneficial. Security patches are crucial for protecting devices, and if Samsung has made this update mandatory before accessing the beta, updating now might speed up the process when the new software finally arrives. However, Samsung has not yet officially confirmed whether this security update is related to the upcoming One UI 7 release. This situation has been frustrating for many Samsung users, particularly those who have been eagerly waiting for the latest software experience. The Galaxy S25 series was released with One UI 7 pre-installed, yet other flagship models, including the Galaxy Z Fold 6, are still running One UI 6. While the Galaxy S24 series received early beta access, other high-end Samsung devices have yet to see any updates. The delay has raised concerns among users about why Samsung is taking so long to roll out the new software. Competing brands have already made Android 15 available on several devices, making Samsung's gradual rollout feel sluggish in comparison. The lack of clear communication from the company has only added to the uncertainty, leaving users to guess when One UI 7 will actually arrive. One UI 7 is expected to bring several notable improvements, including enhanced artificial intelligence features, more customization options, and overall performance enhancements. Given these expected upgrades, it is understandable why so many users are eager to get their hands on the update. However, the wait has tested the patience of those who invested in premium Samsung devices and anticipated timely software support. For now, Galaxy Z Fold 6 users should keep an eye on new software updates. If this security patch is a necessary step before One UI 7, installing it now could help ensure a smoother transition when the beta finally becomes available. Hopefully, Samsung will provide more clarity soon, offering users a better idea of when they can expect the update. Until then, those still waiting for One UI 7 will have to remain patient and keep checking for updates. Based on Samsung's usual update pattern, the beta release might still be just around the corner, despite the initial confusion caused by this security patch. It is only a matter of time before more details emerge, and hopefully users will not have to wait too much longer for the new features and enhancements that One UI 7 promises. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Stay tuned for the latest news, and we'll see you in the next video. What if your next smartphone could completely transform how you experience the internet? Faster downloads, smoother streaming, and lag-free gaming, all thanks to groundbreaking 5G technology. That's exactly what Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 series might bring to the table. While the Galaxy S25 is still making waves, the rumors about its successor are already heating up, and today, we're diving into what could make the Galaxy S26 a game changer. Let's break it down. The Galaxy S26 is expected to pack some serious power under the hood, and a lot of that hype revolves around its processor and modem. Word on the street is that Samsung might team up with Qualcomm again, using their next-gen chip, likely called the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. This processor is rumored to come with the Qualcomm X85 modem, a piece of tech that could take 5G speeds to a whole new level. Compared to the X80 modem in the Galaxy S25, the X85 is said to deliver download speeds of up to 12.5 Gbps and upload speeds of 3.7 Gbps. That's a 25% jump in download speeds and a 5.8% boost in upload speeds. Think about what that means for you: faster downloads, smoother streaming, and gaming without interruptions. It's not just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. The X85 modem isn't just about speed. it's also about intelligence. Qualcomm's new modem comes with an AI-powered data traffic engine, a feature designed to make your online experiences smarter and more efficient. This AI engine can prioritize data traffic dynamically, which means it can give your gaming sessions top priority even on a crowded network. No more lag spikes in the middle of an intense match. It also promises clearer voice and video calls, along with seamless switching between Wi-Fi and cellular networks. Whether you're scrolling through social media, working on the go, or video calling a friend, the Galaxy S26 could make everything feel faster and more reliable. Now, here's where things get interesting. While Qualcomm's Snapdragon chip is a strong contender, Samsung might also use its own Exynos 2600 processor in some regions. If that happens, the Galaxy S26 could feature the Exynos Modem 5400, which boasts even higher download speeds of up to 14.79 Gbps. This dual-chip strategy means Samsung could tailor the device to different markets while still delivering top-tier 5G performance. Whether it's Qualcomm or Exynos, one thing's clear: Samsung is aiming to set a new standard for smartphone connectivity. So, what does all this mean for you? If you're someone who relies on fast internet for work, gaming, or streaming, the Galaxy S26 could be a game-changer. Faster 5G speeds and AI-powered features could make your smartphone experience smoother and more enjoyable than ever before. But it's not just about speed, it's about how that speed enhances your daily life. Imagine downloading a high-definition movie in seconds, streaming your favorite show without buffering, or playing an online game with zero lag. These are the kinds of experiences the Galaxy S26 could deliver. And let's not forget the bigger picture. Faster 5G speeds don't just benefit individual users, they have the potential to transform entire industries. From real-time video calls that feel like face-to-face conversations to smart home devices that respond instantly, the possibilities are endless. The Galaxy S26 could be at the forefront of this revolution, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Are you excited about the potential for faster 5G speeds and AI-powered features? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. The race to create the thinnest smartphone is getting more intense, and Apple might be planning to take the lead with its rumored iPhone 17 Air. Recent leaks suggest that this upcoming device could set a new benchmark in ultra-thin smartphone design, following Tecno's recent reveal of its Spark Slim, which initially claimed the title of the world's slimmest phone. However, if the leaks are accurate, Apple's latest device could be even slimmer. A leaked dummy model suggests that the iPhone 17 Air could be just 5.44mm thick. To put that into perspective, Tecno's Spark Slim measures 5.75mm, and Samsung's rumored Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to be around 5.84mm. If these numbers hold true, Apple might take the crown for having the thinnest smartphone ever. However, while the phone itself may be extremely slim, the camera bump is expected to be slightly larger, which could add some depth to the device. With such a thin design, some trade-offs are inevitable. One of the biggest concerns is battery life. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to have a 3,000 mAh battery, which is significantly smaller